This is Haochen AI Parking Management. Again, this is a China stock here. This thing closed yesterday at about $5.50. Looks like we popped above 11 here today and came back in just a little bit. Let's see what the news was here on this, if there was any. Nope, got nothing. So a 88% pop on no news, unless you've uncovered something here, 13. Nothing on the short interest, 0.19% of the float short. There's basically nothing there. On average, trades 500,000 shares, done 14 million here today versus a float of 14.75 million. What do you got on this one? HCAI.
Yeah, no news that I could see with this one. This, I think, is moving with a lot of the other the AI related names. It's got AI in the ticker. It's a company that provides like different smart parking and equipment. But when I went to their website, I got a 404 error, so that was not great to see.
Hate that.
Yeah. So if they don't have a website, I mean, that's like a little bit of a red flag there. They did recently do a 1-for-30 reverse split that was completed on April 13th. That resulted in the current share structure that we have right now. Company doesn't have any cash that I could see. Didn't really have a great read on their balance sheet either. They do have some revenue, although that's been kind of declining over the quarters, and they're slightly profitable. So they they're just barely above making a net profit. So I don't know how great this one's going to be. It's it looks like we did run up to the 200-day SMA earlier this morning, and just got some resistance there. It's also the last time that we the last time we went up there. That's where we also got resistance. I guess we didn't quite get there. I thought I had a higher print earlier, but that's going to be the resistance area I'm keeping an eye on. We could run up to that just like we did on April 7th. Prior to the announcement of the reverse split that they did, and potentially find some resistance there. So that's kind of what I'd be looking at with this one. Resistance at the 200-day SMA, and if we can't recapture VWAP soon, support down at the 65 EMA at the 5-minute.